The student experience in my.SMU is getting a makeover. You no longer have to worry about switching between different tiles on your student homepage. All of the tools you need to manage your academic career are now in one place, your new student dashboard. Not only will enrolling in classes and managing your account be easier than ever, but it will also work great on both desktops and mobile devices. All of your important information and tools are organized in the easy-to-use sidebar, and the look and feel during the enrollment process is fresh and streamlined to help you make better decisions faster. One of the largest improvements to your enrollment experience is the new Schedule Builder. No longer do you need to worry about searching over and over again for just the right class section for your busy schedule. Now just select the classes you would like to take, click Build Schedule, and let my.SMU do the rest. Depending on your selections, you will be presented with several schedule options to choose from and start the enrollment process immediately. Other features include revised, easier-to-read degree progress reports, unofficial transcripts, class schedules, and more. We hope that you enjoy this new way to manage your academic career. For more information and detailed instructions on student dashboard features, visit smu.edu/mysmu.